Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making kofta curry. Minced mutton 250 grams, red chilies 2, salt as per taste, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, make fine paste, don't add water. Perfect consistency, you can make ball like this. In a pan, oil 2 tablespoon, whole spices, chopped onion 2 cups, saute on medium heat for 2 minutes. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, saute for 2 minutes. Tomato chopped 1 cup, salt as per taste, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon, garam masala half tablespoon. Mix everything, saute for 2 minutes. Close the lid, cook on medium heat for 2 minutes or until tomato soft. Tomato paste optional 2 tablespoon. Water 2 cups. Cook for 2 minutes. Now add mutton balls. Close the lid, cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Now add coconut milk or coconut paste half cup. Cook for 5 minutes. Then serve with roti or rice. Coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.